Of last month's storms really adding up. Insurance representatives predict companies will likely pay out more than $1 billion for property due to our state's May storms. One group estimates just the May 10th tornadoes will cost insurance companies $595 million in payouts. That same group believes the payouts for the May 16th hailstorm will exceed the tornado damage claims. And many Oklahomans worry what this will do to insurance rates in our state, even for those who did not get the damage. Insurance Commissioner Kim Holland joins me now with more on that topic. Thanks for being here.
Glad to be here, Tammy.
And it's good to hear it doesn't sound like the news is bad in terms of universal rates going up.
Not necessarily. Any company doing business in Oklahoma anticipates there are kinds of storms. As you know, we get this kind of damage and activity regularly.
Sure.
Not necessarily concentrated in 1 month, however. So they've planned for it, and I don't anticipate that we'll have any major increases as a direct result of this particular storm.
But if there's going to be an increase, does there have to be approval for that company?
No, they do have to file and let us know and demonstrate through actuarial evidence that their rate increase is justified, that they actually have to have it. The good news is Oklahoma has a very robust insurance market, so I encourage people, if you get a rate increase, shop around. You're likely to find some savings.
And then what about the customer? Must they inform the customer before a rate goes up, or can you just get it in the mail?
Well, you can get it in the mail. However, they have to give you at least 30 days notice. So most people get a little bit of notice, and it's pretty easy to pick up the phone and find an alternative.
You know, you often hear people, we all feel this way, if you have a wreck in your car, you're worried about your rate going up. Is that the same? Is that true for insurance?
Well, with insurance, first of all, companies are prohibited from using the first weather-related claim to adjust any rates whatsoever. So it's only those chronic claims that can cause a direct increase for an individual. But again, they take into consideration a lot of different factors, not just losses in terms of rates.
So it can affect you with multiple claims?
It certainly can.
That's a possibility.
That is a possibility.
I know a lot of cars total, the hailstorm, a lot of people have had to deal with adjusters and working together. What advice do you have for those who may be having problems in that process?
Well, we want to hear from anybody that's having an insurance-related problem. We've got a whole team of people that are there just to help our consumers throughout the state. They're trained professionals and are there to advocate on behalf of our policyholders.
So you're where they should start if they are having an concern.
Absolutely.
Kim Holland, we appreciate you being here.
Thank you, Tammy.